Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another tutorial. If you're new here, hi, my name's Jade. Today I'm bringing you this very glowy, full glam look. I'm absolutely in love with how it turned out today. I didn't know what I was going to do. I literally just sat in my chair and I didn't really fancy, you know, putting loads on the eyes. I wanted to keep them quite minimal and quite natural, and I'm really happy with how it's turned out. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Don't forget to follow me on all social media, and also don't forget to give this tutorial a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my upcoming tutorials. But let's get started. Now guys, to get our skin all prepped and primed, because I've got a few breakouts and my skin is very dry, I'm going to be going in with the Prep and Prime Mist from Urban Decay. This is just like really nice, got coconut oil and just everything, all that good stuff that you need on your face. And then I'm going to go in with the Glowing Mist from Pixie by Petra, and I'm using this a lot lately. It's so nice, it hydrates my skin like really good. And then to put some moisture into my skin, I'm going to be using the Nutra Effects Oil Drops from Avon. Now literally, like, I knew my skin was really dry, but until I put these on I didn't realise how dry it was. I could literally feel my skin literally taking all the goodness in. And then I'm going to be moving on to my eyebrows and just brushing them through with a spoolie. And then I'm going to be going in with the Benefit Cosmetics Eyebrow in the shade number 3. I have got an eyebrow tutorial, so I'll link it in the top right hand corner for you guys, so you can just click that if you want to see how I do them. So I'm just going to like quickly skip past this bit. And then I'll be priming my lids with the Fit Me Maybelline concealer once again, and then blending it out with a damp beauty blender, and then also set it in place using the shade Classic out of the Tartist Pro Clay palette. And then for eyeshadow today, I'm keeping it very minimal, going in with the Kylie Cosmetics palette, and I'm using the shade Goldstone. This is first going in the crease, but then I thought my lids looked a little bit too white, so I just put a little bit of that on the lid as well. And then I wanted to add a little bit of shimmer, so I went in with the Milani Bella Champagne number 16 shimmer, and I'm just literally popping this on my lids, and then going to be highlighting my brow bone with this shade as well. Next, moving on to lashes, I'll be priming my lashes first with the number 7 Lash Impact in the shade Black. I don't usually prime my lashes, but I had this for Christmas and God, it's so good. Like literally you can definitely see a difference in using a lash primer than when you don't. So if you want your lashes to be nice and long, I suggest you get the lash primer. So the mascara I chose to go on top of it was also the number 7 Lash Impact. So these two came in a set that I had for Christmas, and God, they work wonders together. Like, they're really nice. My lashes went really nice and long and was clump free. So yeah, if you're having trouble like getting volume or just having trouble with mascara in general, try a lash primer before actually applying your mascara. Then I'm going to be priming my face using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Now, to get the glow that we wanted, I'm going to go in with the number 7 Skin Illuminator. It's like a champagne colour. It hasn't really got a shade. It's just like a Skin Illuminator. So I'm literally buffing that into my skin using a stippling brush. And then for foundation today, I'm going to be using two from L'Oreal. So the one is Infallible 24 Hour Foundation, and the other one is the True Match. So I use these two together because the Infallible is a little bit too dark and then the True Match is a little bit too light. So the Infallible is in 120 Vanilla and the other one is in 1N Ivory, and literally like these two work wonders together. The full coverage but still very lightweight on my skin. So yeah, these are always my go-to foundations that I always use without fail. So I'm just going to be using like a flat brush just to blend the two colours together. Literally like since I've started using a flat foundation brush and blending it out before I actually use my beauty blender, my application of my foundation has been a lot smoother. So yeah, try that if you're having difficulty getting your foundation looking nice and smooth on your skin. Try blending it out first with a brush and then blending it out with a damp beauty blender. Now, I did skip my concealer because there'll be a review on Friday. I'm not telling you what products because I'm really excited for it to go, so keep an eye out for that. But for bronzer today, I'm going to be using the Avon True Bronzing Pearls in the shade Glow Bronzing. So these ones are like really, really nice. They just give you like a nice natural glowing tan look. So yeah, I'll be applying it where I usually contour. And then for contour today, I'm going to be using my Millie Macintosh highlight and bronze palette and just using the cooler toned bronze shade there and just contouring the hollows of my cheekbones. Then I'm going to go back into the Kylie Cosmetics eyeshadow palette and use the shades Topaz, Citron and Hematite and also Bronzite, I think it is. I'm literally putting these on the lower lash to bring some depth underneath there. And then for blush today, I'm going in with the Sigma Spotlight powder in the shade Sweet Thing. It's like a really nice glowy blush. And then for highlighter, I'm going to use the Skin Illuminator from No. 7 first as a base for the highlight to stick to. And then I'm going to be going back in with that Millie Macintosh highlight and bronze palette and just using the it's like a vanilla colour if you want to call it. It's like a vanilla shade that I'm going to be applying on top of the No. 7 Skin Illuminator. And then moving on to lips, I went in with the Beauty Bakery Lip Whip in the shade Versailles. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not too sure. I can't pronounce these shades. And then on top of that, I went in with a gloss from FCUK. Again, they haven't got a shade name, so it's just like a metallic pink shade I popped on top. I just think it went really, really nice and well with the glowy eyes and the glowy face. And then after that, I set it in place with the Pixie by Petra Glowing Mist. So yeah guys, this is the end result. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. I definitely enjoyed creating it. It was something, you know, a little bit more on the natural glowy side. But yeah, make sure you follow me on all social media and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There'll be another tutorial up on Friday, so make sure you keep your eyes open for that one. But yeah, until next time, I love you all so much and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys!